Lima, Peru was founded in 1535 by the Spanish Empire. It was originally one of their many outposts throughout Central and Latin America. The convergence of the Chilon, Rimac, and Lurin rivers made it a strategic capital city. Today, Lima is the largest metropolitan area in Peru, with over 40% of Peru's population residing there. In the 1980s and 1990s, an economic crisis brought an influx of impoverished people into the city. Because of this influx, Lima was forced to urbanize quickly. This rapid urbanization has had a negative impact on the environment. Some of these major environmental effects include an increase in air pollution and a decrease in water quality.
Air pollution has resulted in part from a large northward migration from the city. Due to increased transportation, air pollution continues to rise. Currently, only one-third of transportation provided is actually needed. Lima has too many taxis and buses on the streets. Also, many people do not have the financial resources to keep renovating their cars. These older cars emit more pollution. The air pollution in Lima is negatively affecting people's health. 43.7% of children between the ages of 1 and 4 in low economic families suffer from respiratory infections. In 2007, it was reported that the air pollutants present were 9 times over the World Health Organization's recommended limit.
In response to the horrible air pollution in Lima, it is planned that by 2012 the amount of vehicles on the streets will decrease from 27 million to 10 million. In order to commute, people are switching to biking to work to help make the environment more sustainable. According to the World Bank, the use of bicycles twice a day saves 10% of a Lima resident's monthly energy bill. Numerically, this is equal to $7.60 per month per person. This is a great step in limiting the air pollution in Lima. On top of independent parties' initiatives, Peru has nationally recognized air pollution as a major problem of urbanization and plans to launch a national transportation initiative which would include an increase in the use of fuels that contain less sulfur oxide, as well as regulate the country's gas emissions. One company, Biocombustibles del Peru, is investigating vegetable oil as an alternative resource to gasoline.
Urbanization has also caused contamination in Lima's water supply. Raw sewage is currently discharged into the water at a rate of 17 to 18 cubic meters per second. Contamination is due to insufficient city services and illegal industrial waste. Over 500,000 people of Lima do not have access to water. The Rio Chalon Water Supply Project is a project aiming to extend drinking water availability to 750,000 inhabitants that have moved north of Lima as a result of the rapid urbanization. The plan is to hold 6 reservoirs capable of holding 9,700 cubic meters of water with pipelines based in the Rio Chalon River Basin. However, the only way to provide safe drinking water to more inhabitants is to clean up the pollution. Currently, only 60% of the 12,000 metric tons of garbage is collected by the city. The other 40% is left on the street, causing sewage to contaminate the city's water supply.
Healthy City is an organization that is working in Lima to reverse the water pollution problem. They have promoted recycling to promote a healthy environment. In 2000, Healthy City helped pass legislation mandating recycling in Lima. Many industries in Lima are illegally polluting Lima's waterways. In 1993, Peru ratified the Basel Convention, an attempt to eliminate the illegal dumping of contaminants. The Basel Convention is an international treaty signed by over 100 other countries. Although signed with good intentions, Peru never acted upon the treaty. Lessening water pollution is a very expensive task. The cost of environmental damage due to water and air pollution equates to 3.9% of the country's gross domestic product. The World Bank is currently assisting Lima with this initiative. The World Bank is supplying Peru with a $330 million loan to strengthen the management of mining waste and increase biodiversity of conservation.
As highlighted on the streets of Lima, urbanization can have detrimental effects on the environment. But Lima, Peru is doing a good job recognizing and working to combat these problems.